Hey there, Vendasta partners. It's Kaz, and I'm excited to bring you some awesome product updates for the week of October 23rd, 2023. We figured that videos like this would be an exciting way to keep everyone, from your team to your clients, in the loop about Vendasta's upcoming software releases. And you know what? We're eager to hear your thoughts. Swing by roadmap.vendasta.com and share your feedback on anything you see in this video. Now, let's jump into what's in store for this fall and beyond. Have you heard? Our beta for Inbox Pro is now up and running in the marketplace. Vendasta's latest offering enables your clients to chat with their customers all in one inbox through text messages and now even through Google Business Profile. Dive into the full scoop by watching our launch video over at our changelog on roadmap.vendasta.com. There's more on the horizon for Inbox Pro, and it's coming sooner than you think. First up, mark your calendars for November 22nd. We're rolling out our AI-assisted web chat lead capture widget. Imagine the local businesses you know, those swamped with work, maybe fixing cars or up on rooftops. They can't always chat in real time, but our AI ensures they don't miss potential customers. It captures contact details so your SMB clients can reply via inbox whenever it suits them. Following our AI lead capture debut, we've got integrations with Facebook Business Messenger and Instagram Messenger on the way. This will position Inbox Pro as the go-to hub for all client communications. Stay tuned for these exciting updates. Last but not least, we're eyeing up an email integration. This means Inbox Pro users can opt for sending messages via email over SMS. And when someone gets an inbox message via email, they can reply right there, and the response syncs back to the Inbox app. It's all coming together, folks. Take Inbox Pro for a spin in its beta version, and keep tabs on roadmap.vendasta.com for all forthcoming enhancements. If you've been keeping an eye on roadmap.vendasta.com, you know that we mentioned that email campaigns are making their way to Business App Pro through Vendasta's marketplace. While we initially slated this for an October release, there's a slight change in plans. Now, gear up for Campaigns Pro in November. We promise it's worth the little extra wait. Soon, it'll hit our marketplace, empowering clients to craft AI-driven emails. And the cherry on top, they can blast these emails to all their contacts, including those from connected systems. Remember to spread the word in your team. This new product rolls out in November. And now, let's have Neelab showcase a sneak peek with a demo.
You can see the new navigation makes campaign available in Business App. I click on campaigns, I can see overview and campaign table appears inside overview. And when you click on email library, you can see the pre-built email content and email templates inside email library. So the improvements that we have made to the Campaign Pro product in the marketplaces, now a campaign that is published, for example, I go in this campaign that's already published, I can go inside action and pause the campaign. And you can see the message over here which shows campaign is paused. And then you can also resume the campaign now once it has been paused by clicking on resume button, and the campaign gets resumed. And the message shows here campaign resumed. Now a campaign which is being created, you can also duplicate that campaign. So let's say I want to duplicate campaign sprint demo here, and I click on this button. Sorry for the translation layers, they are being fixed right now, but I click on copy and you will see a message pop up saying that the campaign has been duplicated. And you see, now you have the option to either jump to that campaign itself or close it and jump it from the campaign table. So I click on go to copied campaign and the campaign appears here. So yeah, that's all the work that was done by Maelstrom team in the last sprint. Thank you.
We're on the cusp of launching the beta version for Vendasta's Fresh CRM in Partner Center. I'm thrilled to share that come this November, you'll get a sneak peek with an early version. Revamped CRM isn't just about a sleek, modern look, it's now integrated right into Partner Center. Say goodbye to toggling between Partner Center and Sales and Success Center. This is a game changer in making your selling process more seamless. Now, let's dive into the strides our team's been making towards this release.
Hey, Gabriel here with the latest updates on the new CRM with the improvements on the new content and company page with activity timeline. First off, if you're using the Sales Center right now, you'll be pleased to know that the sales activities in the timeline are now synced to the new CRM. Speaking of which, this timeline has a few updates. You can now filter on the activity timeline. Wonder what your customer is interested about your solution in the first place? You can now filter down by completed meeting, where the customer has shown interest. It's now easier to find the information that's relevant. Next, campaign activity are displayed on the timeline. If you have ever sent a campaign to a contact, this will give you a comprehensive view of all the campaign touchpoints. In the last update, we have introduced the opportunity section in the company profile page, and users can now log and view the new activities directly on the opportunity sidebar. And the activities logged here will also show on the associated company profile page. On the contact and company page, you can now see and filter by a salesperson name, including or excluding the salesperson, and you can search for that salesperson by his email, name, and even IDs. In the account details page, there's a new button added that redirects users to the new company profile page right from the account page. And that's it for the CRM update this week.
Vendasta's automations let your team build highly customizable workflows to add a whole new level of ease to your daily operations. We've got some great quality of life improvements that are available now. Over to Sean for a quick demo.
Hi, Sean here from Autobot's team, and I'm going to talk to you about what we've made changes to for automations. So first off, if we take a look at the nav, you can see now we have 3 pages, My Automations, System Automations, and Templates. And I'm going to go into My Automations here. And I'm going to create a new automation. And if you watch closely, you can see that you didn't have to select a market. So about a year ago, we added the ability to have automations work across all markets. And since that time, we've noticed that almost nobody has created any market-specific automations. So we've removed that as a simplification for future work. But what you can do now is you can add a filter here. So you can get the same functionality that you would have before. So if we have an account here, we can filter on market and we can select whichever market we choose. And we can have as many of these as we want, right? So we can add another branch and say market is Vendasta testing and training. So you can see here, branch 1 will be Big Brand Bob, and branch 2 will be Vendasta's testing and training. So you can have the same functionality as having individual market automations, but this just makes it more robust and simplifies the system for us for future work. So the second big change here is we've removed the built-in automations tab from the automations page. And we renamed it to System Automations, and we made it its own page. If we go here and we can see this, it's a lot simpler. You can see you can read what the automations are about, or you can go in and you can see them, and it's very easy to turn them off or turn them on. And we just kind of simplify this so it's more user-friendly. So those are the big changes in automations of simplifying the system automations now and removing the markets requirement.
That wraps up this week's updates. I don't know if I've mentioned this yet, but if you want to stay in the know, you can head over to roadmap.vendasta.com. As always, we deeply appreciate your partnership and value your feedback. See you soon.